Good morning, class. Today we are continuing with our writing. We are on Module 9, so once you click on ELA, and if you scroll down all the way down to Module 9, we're almost there. Yesterday we completed 9.1. Today we are going to complete 9.2. And again, our topic this week is inventions. Yesterday we saw what our spelling words were going to be for the week, and they had some blends, 3 letters combined together to make a blend. So we'll begin by practicing our spelling. We will set the purpose for reading our story this week, which is going to be inventions that change the world. We will continue to look at verbs that are present, that means they're happening now, or past, they already happened. And then also in your packet, there are some cursive letters, X, Z, and Q. All right, so today your activity that is in your packet is your rainbow words. This is on page 138. So try to pick 3 different colors, colored pencil, pens, marker, and you are writing each of your spelling words 3 times each. And again, there's 2 pages. It's page 138 and 139. So you will need to complete that this morning. Our vocabulary, we briefly went over those yesterday, but this is an interactive. If you log on to Canvas, you can do that on your own, but we're going to go ahead and do that together right now. So we have 6 vocab words like we do every week. So what you do is we're matching the words with their definition. So to be dependent, that means that you are relying on someone. Let's see, how do I... Okay. Adapt to a use or purpose. You adapt to a use or purpose. Is suitable. To take care of according to a routine. So a routine way of doing something is the process. A way, plan, or procedure for doing something is the method. Quick in learning. You are intelligent. And then finally, having a sharp mind is clever. And again, you hit check. Whoops, what did I get wrong here? Oh, I got the 2 mixed up. So intelligent is having a sharp mind, and clever is quick in learning. See, that's always important to check your answers. And if you get check marks, you'll know that you match them correct, and you can always hit the reset button. This week, we are reading Inventions That Changed the World. So again, when we are asking questions, we ask questions before, during, and after reading. So thinking about before reading, based on that title, Inventions That Changed the World, what do you think it might be about? We will be reading about a few different inventions that had a great impact on our society. What inventions do you think might be included? Share one of your questions below. So I'm thinking about some inventions that have made life easier. So I'm wondering, are we going to learn, to learn about who invented electricity? Think of how different our lives would be if we did not have electricity. I'm also wondering if we're going to learn about vehicles. Because if we didn't have vehicles to get us places, another invention that would that has greatly changed our life. So then you would hit next, and it records your responses. Yesterday in 9.1 we talked about past tense verbs and present tense verbs. Hopefully you remember the difference. Present tense means it is happening now and usually ends with an S. Past tense means it has already happened, and a lot of the times we can see that with an ED. But again, we have irregular words. So here is a sort to complete today. So you're sorting the verbs into the correct category. Run. So you think, and if you're not sure, use it in a sentence. I run down the road. So I think that's happening now. Way to go. Walked. I see the ED there, so I'm probably thinking it's a past tense. I walked down the road. Swallow. I am going to swallow my coffee. That's happening now. Carried. I carried the turkey to the table. Oh, that already happened and I see the ED. Watch. I like to watch TV. That happens right now. Followed. I followed Rocky in the front yard. I already did it and I see an ED, past tense. Okay, and then you can retry those if you're unsure. So today we're going to begin planning our opinion paragraphs. So yesterday you looked at an opinion paragraph written by a student who thought his neighborhood park should be saved. He didn't want that torn down, even though there was others in town that wanted to shut it down. So you will have 3 different topics to choose from for your opinion writing. You will need to write about how you disagree with one of the topics below. So here are our topics.
1. Your parents want to move bedtime earlier. 2. Your teacher wants to get rid of recess. 3. Your best friend thinks you should have your birthday party at an ice rink.
All right, so thinking about one of those, you're just picking one, maybe the one that you disagree with the most. I'm thinking a lot of you would probably disagree with if I wanted to get rid of recess. But you can pick whichever 3 you disagree with the most to write about it. So you're choosing one of the 3 topics to write about. Remember, you'll be writing about how you disagree with the topic. Which one do you disagree with? Now that you have your topic, let's start brainstorming. So we'll click on this. And this is in your packet. This is page 140, so you will be completing that today, Tuesday. So choose your topic from the choices below, and your choices are listed here. Your parents want to make bedtime earlier. Your teacher wants to get rid of recess. Your best friend wants you to have your birthday party at an ice rink. So again, you are just picking one of those. After you pick that, you have to list reasons for your opinion. Okay, so let me shrink this down. So let's go ahead and go through an example together. So the one that I might pick, I'm just going to pick choice 3. And so we're going to kind of go ahead and go through the process of what you would do. Why is this not? All right, so I'm going to start off with circling my choice. And why do I disagree with my best friend having a birthday party in an ice rink? First of all, I might say, you know what? I don't know how to ice skate. And some supporting details would be, I have never gone before. So I'm not good at roller skating. Okay. Another reason is the closest rink is 1 hour away. So we would have to travel to Gaylord. And then my third reason is I don't like the cold. So any ice rink will be cold, and we would have to bundle. Okay, so again, that's what you are going to do, but you might not pick that choice. I have a feeling most of you are probably going to pick choice 1 or 2 that you disagree with most, changing your bedtime earlier or me getting rid of your recess. So whatever you end up picking, you need to make sure that you have 3 reasons with some details explaining those reasons. Okay, continuing on. And then finally today you can see that there are some new cursive letters. We have X, Z, and Q. And right here it is showing you exactly how those are formed. Q, this is an X. Make the first line and then cross it. And then we have our Z. And there is a page in your packet for you to complete on that. So that is page 141. And that is it for today. So once you complete those pages and go through that slide, that is it for lesson 9.2. All right, have a great day.